So we're in Leavenworth right now. We're gonna go down to Icicle Creek and try to find some free camping spots. I heard there's some free camping up here, so let's go see what we can find. Beautiful. We're rolling out Icicle Creek just outside of Leavenworth. Super pretty canyon. There's this awesome looking Whitewater kayaking creek down here. There's Icicle Creek right out my window. Pretty sweet, and this road's just going right up the canyon. Found this super nice campground right here on Icicle Creek, but it's freaking $24 to camp. Like, I'm sorry, like, number one, I'm not paying for camping. I'm not gonna pay to park on Earth, and I'm definitely not paying $24 to do that, so that's the word. I think that'll work. Trying to get level because I found myself a sweet camping spot. Check out this camping spot. Boom! Icicle Creek right there. Freaking gorgeous. Nice and windy, no bugs. I don't know why I consider this camping, because really I feel like camping is staying in a tent, but I'll show you how I set up camp. We're pretty tall right now. I've stacked some rocks under that. Anyway, camp set up. You know what the best part about this camp spot is? No cell service. So I'm gonna dry out some paddling gear really quick because it's an awesome day boating, and get some dinner going. Might cook some orange chicken tonight, and that's about it. Recently picked this guitar up. I've been trying to start playing guitar a little bit more again, just because it's been a super long time. Woo, it's windy. Yummy! Orange chicken, fresh out of the oven. Just add that orange sauce and get... You know what? That's all a dude needs. Just some fried orange chicken. That's it. And you know what though, in all seriousness, it's moments like this that just make me feel like I'm exactly where I need to be. You know? It's beautiful out. Beautiful evening. I guess I'd like to tell you guys too that I am just super grateful for you guys caring and being into the content I produce. I genuinely enjoy what I'm doing, and I genuinely enjoy filming. And it's just been a really fun combination. So it's just allowed me to live my passion. So thank you guys. I appreciate that. And keep on doing it as long as I can. Absolutely beautiful evening out. Nice and quiet. Really like this spot. So I'm gonna continue enjoying it, and I will see you guys in the morning. This is such an awesome camping spot. I just finished editing a couple of videos. I played some music for a while. Ran some new music actually. Kicking back, you can hear the creek right out here. Listen to this. Oh, good morning world. Good morning. Just been listening to that all night. Great. Yes, sir. So I believe our plan this morning is to head down the valley and go do some whitewater kayaking in the Tumwater Canyon of the Wenatchee River. And Wenatchee. Am I saying that right? It sounds really Midwestern. Wenatchee. Anyway, packing up. And that's about all I got to say about that. I tell you what. Jacket! Sweet! Nice, dude. I ran into some folks from out of the country. They're raft guides in Idaho here for the summer, and they happen to be pedaling this for their first time. So they're gonna give me a ride up to top and float down it with me. We're on Tumwater Canyon of the Wenatchee. It's gonna be sweet. We're here at the put in for the Tumwater. Gonna ride up, welcome boaters. Go. It was almost too easy, just like show up and go boating, get a ride. Right? Yeah, it seems a little bit low. Is it a little bit bony, like hitting rocks and stuff, or no?
It's not bony.
Not too bad.
Maybe some bars.
Yeah.
Shallow, the main rapids are.
Yeah. Plenty enough. Tumwater Canyon, here we go. It's the first time I paddle without a dry suit on, and I can't even tell you how long. Ooh, the water feels good. Man, that's so warm. Yeah, where'd you guys go in this one?
It's not as steep as it seems from here.
Okay. Yeah. Wave train.
You want to go first?
Yeah, man, go for it. This thing's got some water, man. This is like one of the big water runs. Looks all tiny up top. Now it's freaking huge when you get down in it. Almost big water. Where are you going this one?
Read and run.
Read and run? Cool. Okay. Whoa! Whoa!
But when we are in British Columbia and we go for a multi-day, when we camp out,
yep.
The bear would show up at the camp or no?
It's usually not too bad. Just take your food and like put it in a dry bag and throw a bag.
Once you finish eating.
Yeah, exactly. Just like pull it up the tree, you know, and then
So
you should be fine.
Spread?
Exactly. Yep. And then if they come around camp, it's going to be to get the food, you know. They won't mess with you guys.
By the tree.
Exactly. Just like lift it up a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then like I'd get bear spray for sure, just to have it on you. Keep it like right there in your boat, your water bottle holder, you know. Got ourselves some more whitewater. That's cool. So these guys are from the Czech Republic, but they've been raft guiding in Idaho this summer on the Payette River. All right, looks like we got ourselves a rapid. This one looks a little bigger.
You can see the whole rapid.
You see it from there?
Ever since I broke my back, messed up my neck kayaking, man, my nerves are always about me, man. Just trying to fight that monster in my head. Like, I know I've got the skill to run all this stuff, just sitting in the back of my head. The snake? Oh man. So like I was saying, this is the Tumwater Canyon of the something river. I think the Wenatchee maybe. Really cool run, super cool. I guess there's 4-foot snakes and stuff like that. This is a pretty low water level. This is 1500 CFS for reference. So if you guys are gonna come out and paddle this is definitely getting on the lower side, but it's still super good. There is one more rapid downstream before the really big one we're gonna take out, so we'll see. Or if it's a cottonmouth or something, I don't know what it is. Yeah. Put that in your girlfriend's under her pillow or something.
Dang, that's a good idea. Just bring it over and put it in her kayak. Dang. I'm not that bad.
She stopped kayaking forever. That'd be the end.
How do you feel about the river? Do you want to see it or?
I mean, maybe. I don't know if there's like a move I should make. Maybe. But I don't know.
No, it's all good. So
that's what we just came down. I guess was that a Chaos? That rapid back there, the big one? I guess that must have been. Yeah, the last one. So this is it. This is exit, right? This is the one people take out. All right, successful day. You know what the sweet part about 95-degree weather is? The paddling gear dries out fast. Anyhow, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.